Landing checklist, down to flaps.
Checklist down to flaps. Cabin.
Secure.
Altimeters.
Rechecked.
Speed brake armed. Landing gear.
Down.
Checked. Flaps to go.
Flaps 75.
Speed check, flaps 25.
Flaps 30.
Speed check, flaps 30.
Complete landing checklist.
Flaps.
30.
Checked. Landing check complete. 1000. Stable.
Minor Boeing.
Checked.
Tango for this moment. 649, settle target bound, Embraer 5.5 miles, final 12208, runway 16 right, cutter line. American 2197, make a left turn onto Tango now, down to November, hold short, runway 16 center.
Alright, short of 16 center on November, American 2197.
American 2197, thank you, monitor tower 199, have a good day.
Good day.
Contour aircraft is Gulf current wind 2208, CL 703006, hourly weather.
500.
Checked.
Minimums. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10.
Speed brake. Reverse.
Alright, sir, 681, keep your speed up, please, to Papa. Left on Papa, hold short, runway 16 center.
Papa, hold short, 16 center. My controls.
Controls.
Alright, sir, 681, monitor tower 119.9, good day.
1199, 681.
Roger.